everyone, I'm Kelly from Crafting a Cuppa, and today I've got an unboxing video for you. I haven't done one of these in a little while, so I'm quite excited. So today it is Knit Pro. They have very kindly sent me a crochet hook set to try called Mellow. I'm not gonna lie, I have had a little sneak peek. I couldn't help myself. Normally when I do an unboxing video, I quite like to do it together. But yeah, I did have a little bit of a peek. Sorry everybody. So yes, they've got the Mellow Crochet Hook Set. So looking at the back, there's 7 crochet hooks ranging from 3mm to 6mm. And there are some other little accessories in there as well. So yeah. Shall we take a little look and see? Okay, so here we go. We've got a lovely hard case, Mellow Crochet Hook Set by Knit Pro. On the back, we've got a little bit of a description of what's inside. So we've got some metallic copper crochet hooks with a rich walnut colour wooden handle, and then some little accessories. So shall we have a look? So we've got a nice sturdy case with a magnetic opening, and then inside is another case. I know they're promoting this at the moment for Mother's Day. Now I'm in the UK, so I've already had Mother's Day, but I know that there are lots of other countries that are doing their Mother's Day soon. In May, is it? I do believe it is May. I've got relatives in Canada, and I know that their Mother's Day is different to ours. It's because I'm in the UK. We're doing things differently. Probably we're the only country that does it, knowing us lot. So we've got this lovely case. Let's have a look. Ooh. Little peep inside. There they are. Let's get them out. Okay. So they look lovely. They feel ever so soft and shiny. I haven't actually used these yet, but I'm looking at them. I feel like I could get on with them very well because I'm not very good with thin hooks. They hurt my hand and I end up having to wear a bit of a brace if I end up using a thin hook. I like something that I can grab hold of. So these look good. So we're ranging from, if I twizzle it around, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. It's a bit difficult with the light, but this one is 3mm and this one is 6mm. And then the bigger that they get, the bigger the handles get as well. 3mm. Oh, it feels nice. It does feel lovely. Hang on, we come back in this way. Wiggle that back in there. Yeah, they are beautiful. So we've also got a little compartment in the back. Let's take a look and see what is in here. Tape measure, nice one. I actually needed another tape measure. I'm on my last one at the moment. Lovely. Yeah, and a little leather case. Or faux leather, I'm not quite sure. But either way, tape measure. Always need a tape measure, especially with my patterns because I like to do made to measure. Nice tapestry needle for weaving in your ends. Some stitch markers. Always need stitch markers. And then these. Now, when I saw these on the picture, I was like, are those glasses? They literally look like a pair of glasses, don't they? But then as I got them out, I was like, no. Because I didn't even read the back, but when I got mine out, and I was like, no, there's definitely something sharp going on. So then I figured it out. You literally pull these bits apart. And then, which way are we going? This way? Or is it this way? This way! And then they turn into a pair of scissors. Now, how cool is that? They're just perfect for travel scissors, aren't they? and then you don't have your sharp point coming out. I get a bit scared when I'm putting them away though, but so we put them back like this, and then you have to push these bits together, and it feels scary doing it, but it is actually okay. Obviously, they're not going to send you something where you're going to hurt yourself. So they're cool. I like them a lot. So there we go. A lovely little set. Perfect for Mother's Day, even though I've had mine, but there's another one coming up. So I've not tried these yet, and I'm itching to have a little go. So I think I might work up a little granny square in some DK yarn and my favourite hook to match. I always use a 5mm. I know most DK yarns say 4 or 4.5, but for some reason I just love using a 5mm. So we've got 3 here. Which one's this one? 3.5. We've got a 4. We've got a 4.5. And then we've got the 5. So let me wiggle that out. Oh, it feels so lovely and shiny. So I'm going to give this a whirl. Let's see how we get on. This is my first time using these hooks. Let's get a bit of yarn. Oh, I'm going to make a little granny square, I think, and see how we do. So far, so good. I'm always fingers and thumbs when I'm doing my first round. Always. It's better once you get into it a bit more, then you've got something more to hold, haven't you, when you're making your project. Yeah, so far so good. Let's get a bit more yarn. Okay, so I've had a little test run. I can say that I'm very happy with this hook. Like I mentioned earlier, I like the fact that we have some thickness here at the bottom to hold on to, because my hands don't do well with just thin crochet hooks. So having that bit on the bottom of the wood, and it's very soft and shiny, yeah, it's nice. And also I've noticed with the hook, it's got quite a bit of an edge. Hang on, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's got quite a bit of a sharp edge, which helps to catch the yarn nicely as well. So yeah, very nice. So there we have it, my first unboxing video of 2024. Thank you Knit Pro for sending me this beautiful gift. Absolutely beautiful gift of crochet hooks. Hope you enjoy the video, and there'll be more following shortly. Stay tuned for more. Why don't I say that? See you soon. Yeah. Nice one. Bye.